welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a passion twist tutorial using inexpensive hair I found on Amazon. This hair is kinkier in texture than the water wave that's typically used for passion twists, so it blends in really well with 4B, 4C hair. Get into everything you'll need. First, you'll need an edge control of your choice. You'll need a moisturizing cream, rubber bands, and a crochet hook. So first we want to prep the hair by fluffing it out and stretching it a bit so it's not so short and it has more length. With the crochet hook, I'm going to do the faux lock method where you wrap the hair around the base, then I will twist it down. This will conceal the rubber band. When working around your hairline, you definitely want to be gentle and use less hair to prevent it from weighing down on your edges. So instead of using a full piece, I'll only be using a half piece. Also, because I want to have face framing layers, I'm going to be using shorter pieces around the front and the hairline. So instead of splitting them in two and making them longer, I'm only using one piece of hair. This was so tricky to do with long nails, which is one of the reasons why I chose to do the rubber band method. So if you guys don't have long nails, you'll be able to grip the hair a lot better and be a lot neater than me. So yeah guys, this was a really easy style to do. If you're not a braider like me, the rubber band method would be your safest bet, but if you are a braider, there's a ton of tutorials on YouTube that you can follow and try the style yourself. I love the way it turned out, and it only took me a couple of hours, so yeah, win-win. That's the end of the tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, and don't forget to thumbs up and share this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the below bar, and don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.